Barda updates. Congrats sa Barda. Wagi sa 38 pieces awards for television bilang Herman Moreno Power Tandem Award at kay Barbie Female State of the Night. At niyayaya na si David Nib Alden mag-jogging. Gusto raw sumama ni David. Ayan, mag-jogging. Yun, no? Ibig sabihin niya, pwede magsama yung Barda. Yun, no? Masaya pa nga ng Barda, oh. Ginigilig pa nga sila, eh. Makita nila yung mga picture nila sa screen. May tinawag nga si Barbie. David. Yan, no? Nasa post yan ni Isabel. Congrats. And the mayor of Mindanao del Norte, Honorable Marcos Mama.
Secondly, we say thank you to GMA for believing in us. Kumara tayo, di ba? Basically, nagpanganak sa ating LT, tama? So, thank you so much. To Sparkle, and of course to you. Really, thank you. I have learned so much from you, and that's such amazing. Ikaw yung love people. You are very patient and understanding, so really thank you. And di ako tuloy dahil na trabaho ko.
Siyempre, ang aming supporters, diba? Yes, the fans namin sa inyong pagniwala na siyempre. Tulad ni sinabi ni David, to GMA and to Sparkle, maraming salamat. Thank you! Good night, everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Shorty Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.